Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite a new user into Indition CRM. To invite a new user, you'll need to go to the user management screen, and to get there you'll need to go to your side menu and select admin and then user management. Here you'll see the manage users page, and to invite a user you can click on the invite user button. Once you click on that, you are given the options of email, role, reports to, and subordinates. After filling out all this information and clicking on save, an email will be sent to the email provided inviting them to join your CRM as a role you have selected for them. And it is that easy. All they need to do is click on the invite link and then they will get taken to the CRM where they can create a password and log in. One other thing I want to mention while on the topic of invite users is user invitations. On the manage user screen next to invite user, you have the user invitations button, which shows you all the invitations that you have sent out. You are able to see the ones that have been accepted, pending, or denied, as well as who sent them. In this section, you are also able to resend invitations or delete the request completely if you choose to. And that about wraps it up. Now you know how to invite a new user into your CRM. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.